What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eboh in case you don't know. So currently today I am in Lagos City, Nigeria, and I'll be traveling to Benin Republic. Actually, this will be my third time traveling to Benin Republic, a very beautiful city. And from the last video I did about Benin Republic, like the last time I traveled to Benin Republic, people were asking me what was the requirements, the process, or maybe the duration of traveling from Lagos to Benin Republic. So in today's video I'll be traveling by road, as I want to use this opportunity to show you guys what you are probably going to encounter the road, the obstacle, or maybe the fun, whatever thing. I don't even know what we're going to meet today. So basically there are two major ways of traveling to Benin Republic, which are by road transport and by water transport. So the last time I went to Benin Republic, it was by water transport, which I find my way. When I got to Lagos, I found my way to Seme. Seme is a very popular place in Lagos where you get to find a ferry station going to around Lagos. When I got to CMS, I had to get a ticket. I asked for a ticket from there to Benin Republic, but actually they told me the boat going to Benin Republic, the time hasn't come yet, so I have to wait. But I don't want to wait. That was the reason why I decided to use a boat, because I want to avoid being stuck in traffic and get to my destination very early. So what I did is I had to get a ticket from CMS to Badagry. So when on getting to Badagry, there are a lot of bike men, around the ferry station that we offer to take you on a ride. So what I did is when I get out from the ferry station, I had to get a bike man that took me from Badagry to Seme border. So today, as I've already said, I'll be going by road because today is Sunday, so I believe there is less traffic or no traffic at all. So the road will be very free for me to move. So I'll be heading to my friend is probably going to come and pick me up. So I'll be heading to my two, where I will get a taxi or maybe a bus that will take me from there, from my two to Badagry, then to Seme border, or maybe from my two directly to Seme border. I don't know, but let's see what we find there. So guys, I wanted to stay tuned, and I hope you guys find this video very informative. So I'm doing this thing to show you guys, to show you guys the experience of traveling from Lagos to Benin Republic by road. I believe most of Nigerians are very tired of our country. I'm not proud to say that, but that's the real fact. We are very, very tired, and a lot of people want to japa. So guys, if you really want to japa, stay tuned in this video. Let's japa together. So guys, we're good. Let's go. Yeah.
Are you checking out?
Yeah, checking out.
It's fucking good. Morning, man.
Morning, bro. Morning. Okay. I think that's my friend's car here. I think he's already here. Let me give him a call. So these guys, that's the hotel I'm staying, the Faranzi Hotel and Suites. So this is my friend Asha. I guess you guys have seen him before in some of my videos in Jakarta. Yeah. If you've been following me way back, he's been part of my video in Jakarta. So right now we'll be heading to my two, where I'll be going to get a taxi or a car to get to Seme border. Yeah, by the way, Asha lives here in Lagos, and he deals on car. So if you're looking Asha Autos, if you're looking for a clean car, a very clean and neat car, he's the right plug you should meet. I'm going to put out, well, yeah, I believe now you're seeing his Instagram handle. Go check him out. See some nice cars to check it out. So guys, let's move. Currently I am in my two, and I'll be leaving very shortly, and that's my limousine right here. So I hope I enjoyed the ride. So you guys stay tuned with me, and let's do this one.
Hello, I'm talking to you.
Brother, how are you?
Are they alright?
You are from the east.
From the
East?
east of where?
Sorry? Are you not an Eboh man?
How can you tell? I'm an Eboh, I'm an Eboh man.
So you say east of where? You are from the east. You say from where?
I want to know. I want to be sure before I answer.
You want to?
I want to be sure before I answer the question.
Okay,
I want to know. I'm ready to Badagry.
Where in Badagry?
Badagry, just Badagry roundabout.
Where in Badagry roundabout?
Badagry roundabout.
Badagry roundabout, no get address.
Now there they go for now. Huh? I should come.
Let me say, Miss Hello. How are you? Let me say, Miss No, I don't know.
Push up. That's what all of them are doing. Due to some reason, but the only condition attached to you schooling outside the country is your international passport. If you don't have it, even if this one is valid, it's overruled. But even this, I have some questions.
What camera was that?
I hold on for hand since. I hold on for hand since.
Your camera for us since.
They document my travel.
You cannot document the travel.
He said I should come.
This is a security checking point.
Officer, understand
So
me.
you got it.
You know they on. Are they on?
Don't take this thing out of here. What do you think you are doing?
Officer, you called me out, right?
Then I called you out is for you to carry camera.
I was holding my camera at my hand and my phone.
This is a security checking point. What's the meaning of this? You don't do that. You don't do it.
They got scared and they asked me to drop the camera, so I'm about to drop the camera. I don't know why they asked me to come out from the car, but let's check it out. Let me hear from them first. So currently, guys, I'm at the Agbara. So we met the first immigration checkpoints, and we were asked where we're from and where we are going. At the end of the day, I told them where I'm going. So the next thing, they asked me for my international passport and the next of things.
Inside Nigeria.
Inside Nigeria. That's so like unfair. How can you be asking a Nigerian citizen like an international passport for what? Actually, I first told them that I'm going to Badagry. Then asked me why am I going? Why am I even going to the Badagry? That's unnecessary. You can't tell me where to go and where not to go in Nigeria. It's my right. I have the right to move as I want. So it's so unfair. But actually, I showed them my international passport and they say I should go on. So this is just the first checkpoint, and I believe there are some other several checkpoints ahead. So guys, let's keep on going. Let's see what's going to happen. So there are a few other passengers in the car. We are still talking with them. So I don't know what I'm talking about, but we are waiting for them basically to get done before we can start moving. So this is Nigeria. This is where we are, and this is what's happening. So let's go. All right. So what's up, guys? So currently I am at the Badagry. Actually, this is a Badagry roundabout. So from here I'm going to take a bike that will take me to Seme border. It will go Seme border. How much? I feel price you. I know feel price.
I never tell you say 1.5. I never tell you say 1.2.
I sure these people no go disturb us for road.
Who go disturb you?
All these checkpoint way plenty for road.
Why you go disturb you? You tell them say they go beach.
And they go beach. No, I know they. I know one made it. You know say the checkpoint too many. I know one made it. They stop us. Now why? I know one take car. All right, where they go? So guys, we are good to go. Heading to Seme border right now.
If they call you, if you want stop you. If you want stop you.
That is the way they get. My friend. Abba. What happened?
I don't know what's in the shot. What's in the shot? We don't really shot for me. I don't know. You don't get well, my brother. Yeah? I don't feel no problem.
So guys, right now I just arrived at Seme border, so I'm going to cross the immigration. So I hope you guys have seen so many checkpoints we passed before we get to this Seme border. The checkpoints are freaking too much, guys. So right now I'm going to try to, you know, walk towards the immigration. Hopefully they don't ask me to turn off the camera so that I show you guys the exclusive things that happens at the immigration. Wait, why you follow me now? No worry, I go. They have the bag no heavy. The bag no heavy. You not from Benin? I be Nigerian. Huh? You be Nigerian guy? Oh wow.
I continue work and who for something without clothes. That's why I come to
Hey,
Oh wow.
now go there.
Oh wow. Officer, well done.
Yes, I can hear you, Bob.
Now my clothes.
We are outside the gates now, but they have 10 police people who are doing stuff outside. That police people are doing stuff outside. Yes.
Hello, what is it?
Now my GoPro.
I
don't know whether you guys saw what happened earlier. So I was moving the security personnel, the policemen. So they say they want to check me, they search my bag and all that. So it was a very intense one, like no camera is allowed. So now I've already passed a couple of security officers there, the custom NDLEA, that is drug officers. I've passed the yellow fever officers, I've passed the police, the custom and all that. So right now I'm going inside the immigration building just to stamp my passport and cross over to Cotonou. So far I'll keep the camera on, but I don't know how long it's going to be on. But once I get close to the building, definitely I probably may switch it off. So I'm getting closer. I believe you guys can see the building I'm talking about. That building right there, that's where I'm heading to. So I stamp my passport and go into Cotonou, Benin Republic. So far guys, the journey has been a very intense one, very tiring due to the bad road, so many checkpoints, but it was a very easy one for me because when I got to Badagry, I have to get down from my car, use the motorbike to cross all those checkpoints because they don't normally stop motorbike. So right now I'm already in Cotonou, Benin Republic, and I've crossed the immigration. Actually they didn't allow me to film while in the immigration hall. So basically for the stamping out from Nigeria immigration, I have to pay the sum of 1,000 naira. I don't know whether that is right. I don't think it's right. Definitely you can't pay any money while stamping out your passport, whether in Nigeria or outside Nigeria. I haven't experienced such thing before. And another thing is, like, I also paid like 500 naira to stamp in at the Benin Republic immigration, which also I don't think is right because we are using an ECOWAS passport, which is supposed to be a free entrance to all the West African countries. So basically guys, my advice is this: if you really want to travel by road, you should be targeting to travel around weekend because of the less traffic, and yeah, the less traffic. The road is very it's not that busy during the weekend. Then also, if you want to travel through during the midweek, you also have to travel by water, by boats. Like I told you guys earlier in this video, if you want to get to the boats, go find your way to CMS, then you definitely will find some ferry station. So my journey from my two to Badagry cost me around 3,000 naira. Then from Badagry, where I took a bike to Seme border, would cost me around 1,000 naira. So approximately 4,000 naira from my two to Seme border. So guys,
that's my advice for you, and I hope you guys found this video very informative. If you have any question or if you have anything you want to ask me, do let me know at the comment section or send me an email. I want you guys to stay in tune in this channel as I explore more of Benin Republic like I've never did. Stay blessed from wherever you're watching. I will see you when next time I upload. Body.